Hi guys, we are going to be making slime. We already added the glue. So then we went to make slime, add that thing. And as supposedly mix and knead. School supplies, glue from Target. Oh yeah. Ooh.
You want to show it to them?
Blue. Now it's time to mix. Okay, we're mixing. Reflect from Tasha's channel. Oh yeah. It's getting pretty nice. But you can color it because I love to color it. It's white slime. It's gotta be white slime for some reason. Well, no, blue slimes, but I don't like blue. I'm gonna make it pink, so. Liming. Yeah. Kind of. Figured. It's getting bumpy.
Yeah, it's okay. Just keep mixing it.
With my hands? No? So, we're kneading it right now for some reason. Okay. I think my hands are like super acting weird. Weird. Look at my hands.
It's my hands.
Your hands are so clean. How though? We both need slime.
Look at that.
I think we need some water. Okay, we're gonna add water. Okay.
Okay, I'm still here. I'm just gonna keep mixing. I don't need any water right now. I'm just gonna keep mixing till something happens. Well, something happened.
I added a lot of water.
Yours is so good.
Touch it.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, can I feel yours? Right there. Okay, my slime is like soft right now. I need more water, okay? Okay, so don't talk, that means be right back.
Okay. I added a little bit of water, but turns out pretty good.
Got some more. I think it feels soft.
Also, guys, I didn't tell you my name. My name is Chloe. I am Tasha's sister.
Black.
Also, this is our YouTube channel.
Don't mind the picture of my YouTube channel.
Wait, what even is your picture?
A picture of me. A picture of me as a baby.
It's you as a baby?
Yeah. Okay. So, we need to color it now. Well, no, not yet, because my hands still need to do something.
Okay. So, every time Tasha's AFK, then I'm going to come back. And when Tasha's AFK, I'm going to be here. And when I'm AFK, Tasha's going to be here. And sometimes we're going to both be here, but that's not going to happen a lot.
What'd you say?
Oh, I just said that when you're here, then I'm going to be AFK. When you're AFK, then I'm going to be here. But sometimes we're both going to be here, right?
Yeah. So we're both here right now.
But there will, sometimes, probably not, there will be no one.
Why are you AFK? There will be no one.
sorry. Tasha became AFK, and I wasn't there right away, so I dropped it. Dropped it into the activator. Oh my god. Did you put too much water?
No, it's falling.
Oh, because you put too much water.
Wait, it falls when you put too much water?
Yeah.
Can you get mine for a little bit?
Hold on. Yours is
What, it's
good.
too heavy?
No, it's too like soft that it literally like can fall. Cause look, this is what a normal slime does. It goes down slowly, right?
Yeah.
That one, it was so soft and so sticky that it goes down so quick. That's why.
Like this?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can make a bubble because it's like too much water.
You need more activator?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Just put this in it. Then mix it in.
That'll be harder.
I know, but that's okay. Just put more water.
Okay, guys.
Mine is turning out really good.
I don't care if my slime sticks there. No, I sticks there and dries up. No, it's just a tiny drop.
It has already been 6 minutes.
6 minutes. Okay, you want to leave?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
We can make a part 2.
We can make a
When
part
our
2,
slime
and
is-
the part 2 is about coloring our slime. Okay, Chloe, end this video. My hands are toasted.